Hello everybody, this is a new channel called Manny Vic Entertainment, and the channel's about introducing everybody to new business ideas. Hopefully it can help somebody or one of your friends or something like that. And this idea right now is for COVID. It's for COVID. Basically, it's like sneeze guards and stuff like that for cash registers or anything between a person to another person. The first one is hanging from the ceiling with a big acrylic board, and the second one is like a 3-part acrylic board with a small opening to pass things through, and the third one is one smaller guard with a pull on one side. You can get these acrylic boards and other parts from Home Depot, and probably it'll cost say $20 around there, and it'll take about 30 minutes. You could charge about $100. And here's another idea, but the same thing basically for a drive-through. And basically you could put a half it or even 75% acrylic board when you use Velcro or nails, both also at Home Depot. And this idea I would rate 1 bar, as in okay. And we have different ratings as depending on the ideas. And please remember to subscribe, like, and share this video. Also,
subscribe to Haley's Fun Day Ideas. We post very cool stuff, and this is the director of Haley's Fun Day Ideas.
thank you for your time, and hope to see you guys again.